It started with the hands that built, with the effort that never paused, and with the vision that was always meant to take shape. This wasn't just a site, it was the heartbeat of a living community. From scaffolding to facades, from plans to breathing spaces, from quiet beginnings to defined homes. Beit al-Bahr is no longer just a plan on paper. It's here, alive, evolving, ready. This is where progress meets peace, where streets aren't just paved but lived in, where every home stands as quiet proof that what was once imagined is now experienced. Built with care, framed by nature, crafted for a life that feels as good as it looks. At Beit al-Bahr, we didn't just build homes, we built a place to be, to belong, to begin. This is Beit al-Bahr, a living vision from blueprint to belonging. Beit al-Bahr, be here, be you.